Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can send yourself a copy of an email address when composing on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and then tap on mail. Next we scroll down. In mail, we go down to the composing section and then make sure always BCC myself is switched on. Once that is turned on, you will get a copy of an email when you send out to someone else. So here, if I open up mail and then go to iCloud and compose a new mail message, you can see by default it has CC or BCC turned on. So I can send myself a copy and then test and then tap on send, and you can see here by default it is also sending myself a copy, CC or BCC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.